have the prize distribution for classes 3 to 12. May I invite Reverend Brother Stanislaus, Deputy Province Leader, Brothers of St. Patrick's, India, to distribute the prizes. Proficiency in Academics, Class 1A, Sarah Shine. Class 3A, Aline Therese Manali. Class 3B, Irene Gigi. 3C, Namita Jolie. 3D, Elizabeth Job. 4A, Anne Sandra Shaju. 4B, Neha Gio. 4C, Dion Paul. 4D, Vasudev B. 5A, Aisha Sudhir. 5B, Sandra Habel. 5C, Santwana Jibi. 5D, Junima John. 6A, Paul Sajeev. 6B, Maria Teresa. 6C, Ninisha M. Shankar. 6D, Dennis Mullen. 7A, Rosemary Antu. 7B, Arati Wilson. 8A, George Aditya Paul. 8B, Ashley Verghese. 8C, Ajit Joseph. 9th, Veena PS. 10th, Matthews Baby. 11th, Michelle Jodis Paul. And 12th, Shilpa Maria.
Proficiency in co-curricular. 3A, Ansa Andu. 3B, Ajit Pauli. 3C, Abhi Anthony. 3D, Helen Auxilia Philip. 4A, Sarah Joji. 4B, Dia Joseph. 4C, Liz Maria Tony. 4D, Tia Franco. 5A, Harsha Jens. 5B, Nandana Nair. 5C, Chandana Krishnan. 5D, Sandra Rose. 6A, Irene Rose. 6B, Rons Joseph. 6C, Ninisha M. Shankar. 6D, Leia Franco. 7A, Anjana Liz Sajeev. 7B, Irene Rose Thomas. 8A Vandana Jesto. 8B Arundhati M. 8C Rennie Anthony. 9th Christy Jose. 10 Sona Maria Paul. 11 Joel Varghese. 12th Shazin Munded.
Proficiency Prize for Outstanding. 3A Ansa Antu. 3B Irene Gigi. 3C Anne Gibson. 3D Elizabeth Job. 4A Meenakshi Nair. 4B Neha Gio. 4C Liz Maria Tony. 4D Tia Franco. 5A Aisha Sudhir. 5B Nandana Nair. 5C Sandwana Jibi. 5D Sandra Rose. 6A Irene Rose. 6B Sneha Kuryachan. 6C Ninisha M. Shankar. 6D Mia Anna Tommy. 7A Carolina Ityachan. 7B Irene Rose Thomas. 8A Danya Wilson. 8B Ashley Vergis. 8C Rennie Anthony. 9 Sandra Liz Simon. Class 10 Sona Maria Paul. Class 10 Chitra Ravindran. Class 12 Geedu Paul. May I request Reverend Brother Stanislaus to accept a memento from our principal, Reverend Brother Tommy Vergis. It is a token of our love and appreciation.